Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Today's our topic is electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. Very short answer questions. Gunshot questions. We today define these are how many questions? 10 questions are there, most important gunshot questions, 2 marks questions. In this chapter we have very short answer. Okay, define speed or rate of reaction. What is speed? Speed, the change in concentration of the reactant or product per unit time. The change in concentration of a reactant and product or products per unit time known as rate or speed of reaction. Rate is equals to minus dx. Rate is equals to minus dx by dt or dx by dt. This is the formula of rate. Concentration, this is the keyword, change in concentration of a reactant or products per unit time. Rate law. What is rate law? And illustrate with an example. What is rate law? The mathematical expression which shows that dependent of a rate on the product of molar concentration of the reactants, each power raised to the coefficients of the reactant species. Rate's law can be written by the following kinetics of the reaction experimentally. The mathematical expression. It is a mathematical expression which shows dependent of a rate law. It depends on rate law on product of molar concentration of the reactants, each of power raised to coefficient of the reactants of the species. And rate law written by kinetic reactions expression. Example is 2NO plus O2 gives rise to 2NO2 gas. This is the formula. Rate law is proportional to NO2 NO whole power 2 then into C into O2. This is the formula. Next, define order of reaction. Illustrate with an example. Sum of power of concentration. Sum of powers of concentration. These powers of concentration of the reaction. The rate of the chemical energy is known as order for an elementary X plus A. These concentration power, sum of the powers of the concentration reactant in the rate law of a chemical kinetics is known as order. This XA plus YB is a product of rate law. dx by dt is equals to Ka A concentration of X and B. These powers should be added. Order is equal to X plus Y. Order may be fraction, 0 or integer. This order is 0 or either integer, any integer. Next, give the units of the rate concentration of a 0 order at first order and second order. 0 order means mole, liter inverse, time inverse. First order means time inverse. Second order means mole inverse, time, liter, time inverse. Define molarity of the reaction. Illustrate with an example. Molarity or rity, the number of atoms or molecules. The number of atoms, particles in the rate determining steps of the chemical reaction. Molarity, it is reduces from a reaction mechanism. It is theoretically determined, and this is the example of CH3COO C2H5 aqueous plus H2O liquid and CH3COOH aqueous and C2H5OH. It is a equation. Next, in this equation molarity is 2. A reaction with molarity greater than 3 or very rare. Greater than is very rare, but in this reaction molarity is 2, means the number of atoms The number of atoms, rate determining chemical reaction. This rate determine chemical reaction is 2. Then molarity also 2. Next, give 2 example for zero order reaction. These are the examples for zero order reaction. Photosynthesis reaction 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O on sunlight and chloroform C6H12 O6 plus 6 O2. Next, all photochemical reactions C2H2 plus I2 in the presence of gold gives 2Hi. This is gas. Next, all heterocatalyst decomposes this reaction. Okay, this you by had every reaction. Okay, in this next write the equation related to the half-life or a reaction of the rate constant K for the first order reaction. T half is equals to 0.693 by K1 for first order. This is the first order and K is equals to 2.303 by T log concentration RO by RT. This is the half equation related to the half-life period in first order reaction. Okay, what are the pseudo first order reaction? Give the example. The reaction in which the molarity is 2 but order is 1. Order 1 and molarity is 2. That is called as pseudo first order reaction. Example, acid hydrolysis of esters. This is the example for it. CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O and the presence of hydrogen plus atom CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. Okay, this is the reaction. Order is 1 and molecularity is 2. This is called as pseudo first order reaction. Okay. Next, a cation. A reaction has a half-life period is 10 minutes. Next, calculate the rate constant for the first order reaction. Half-life period is 10 minutes. First order reaction is equals to half-life period is equals to 0.693 by K. This is the general equation. K is equals to 0.693 by half-life period. Half-life period is 10. Means 0.0693 minute inverse. Here this is minute. Okay, minute inverse. Calculate the half-life period of the first order reaction whose rate constant is this value and K is equals to 200. Second inverse half-life period is equals to this is the general value and K value is 200. Then answer is 0.3465 into 10 to the power of 2. Then half-life period is equals to 3.465 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this class, hit the like button and do subscribe to Super Srinivas.